minister releasing that kind of song. And I'm going to ask Pastor Nathaniel the same thing.
Okay, so when you say what does it take to have that kind of song,
Yes.
I can't really say, because all I can say is to have a relationship with Jesus. We don't have a relationship for the purpose of getting songs. I don't know if that's what people do, but I don't think that's what a lot of people do. You have a relationship with Jesus to know him and not to look for songs. So in the process of knowing him and dealing with him, if he decides to give a song to you, fine. And if it doesn't, it's also fine. Because your relationship with God is not defined by the songs. Yeah, it can, it has a relationship, but then it's not defined by the songs sometimes. I always say, somebody can walk into an atmosphere, right, that there is internet. Even if they don't have on their phone, they will connect, right? And they will be able to surf the net. And so it happens to a lot of people. You enter a place, a meeting, just like Saul prophesied, in the midst of prophets. You will get a song and it will be amazing, and then you start to build a tabernacle around that song. And not necessarily go back to have your own internet so that you can get more of that song. So you have that encounter and then you have that song and that's it. But when you leave that place, you need to have connection away from that place. You need to have your own internet. So it has to be a conscious relationship with Jesus, not for songs. Just love being with him. If he decides that your friendship and your fellowship, the overflow of it, the world will listen to it, is up to him. If it doesn't, it's also up to him. But you're satisfied with just a relationship with Jesus.